In this video, I'll be quickly explaining you how you have to access your client's LinkedIn business page, of which you are already an admin. I'm just opening my LinkedIn. So whenever you will open your LinkedIn and log into it, your own profile is going to open. For example, right now my own profile has opened, Gaurav Mathur. However, I have multiple businesses which we have created through my profile, or their admin access has been given to me by these existing companies. So out of these, all these companies, Exportis is one company for which I'm taking an example. So you have to do, all you have to do is open your LinkedIn profile, which is going to look like this. Once you log into LinkedIn, go to this section which says me with your photograph, click on the arrow and select the company for whom you want to make a post. And this is what you're going to see. As it's a fresh company, there is no post available here, so it's a good example. So the moment you click on start a post, it opens a small window like this, which has this area where you have to write the content of your post, and from this particular section you can add one or multiple images as per the requirement of the post that you have planned for this particular brand. So for this particular brand, we have already created the post content, which is lying in a Word file, and I'll just open that Word file. So this is the creative which has been approved by the client, and this is the content of the post which has been approved by the client. So simply I'll just copy this content completely till here, till the hashtags, and I'll go back to my LinkedIn section and paste it here. So it's going to exactly come with the right kind of spaces, but however it has been copied from it has a link of the company website, so this image is automatically being picked from the company's website, which we don't need here. So we'll just click on the cross so that this image goes away. Now, one of our requirements in this particular post, as you see, is that we have to keep the heading of this post as bold. So whereas there is no such option available in LinkedIn in which you can make a post a text as bold, so there is a third party tool available online through which you can make your text bold. So it's a pretty simple thing. Just select this text that you want to make bold, copy it, open a new tab and just write make text bold online. The first website that you see is bold text generator, copy and paste is the one which you need. Now normal text goes here, it says you just paste your text here. Select the type of style you want for your bold post. So I select this particular text, and I for one particular brand always always use the same style of the heading, so that the uniformity is maintained. So I'll again select this and paste what I've copied from bold text generator, which I copied from here. So now this post is ready. I again remove this, and for this post the images are lying in a folder which is this, and I think post 1 is let's just compare. Okay, so this is the post 1 which has these people expand your business. Okay, so let's find which post is this. Yeah, so just make sure that it's the same post, nothing has changed in it as per the client's feedback. Make sure that it's the final post. So I expand your business. All right, so now I'll click on the image, go back to my folder where the image is kept, which is this expand your business. I once again check if it's the correct image, and everything is fine, and I click on open. So this image is now a part of your post, and now you have to click on next, and if you just click on post, the post is going to get posted. But we have to show this post tomorrow morning, which is Monday 13th May. So there's an option to schedule the post. So you just click on schedule for later, select the date which is 13th, and select your time. So time I'll keep as early as possible, say 9 a.m., and I click on next and click on schedule. So now this post is scheduled for tomorrow. So if you want to see your scheduled post, how it's going to look, just click on this scheduled posts, schedule for later, view all scheduled posts, and show more. And this is how your post is actually going to look tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. May 13, 9 a.m. This post is automatically going to be posted. So that's how you can schedule a post. And in case you don't want to schedule, you can just straight away click on post, and your post will be immediately visible here. I hope this helps. Thank you and have a nice day.